so excited about. So before we dive in, I wanted to talk a little bit about how I did my self-care routine and what was important while I traveled. So you know I traveled with a gang of things, but one of the most important things is taking the right supplements and making sure that my body is on track when I travel. And with that said, I like to introduce the Ritual Essential 18 Plus Multivitamin. At first, it caught my eye because of its pretty much excellent branding. I feel like I was immediately drawn to these vitamins out of pure curiosity, but after doing more research on the brand, basically what they did is they reinvented the multivitamin. So it's clean, it's friendly for the environment, and it's easy for you to take and easier on your body. So let me tell you guys a little bit more. So these Ritual supplements are truly made great from the inside out, and their vitamin is unlike any other because their ingredients are traceable, which means you know exactly what you're taking. And I feel like for me, I'm so mindful of what I put into my body, so I feel like that has to go across all genres with vitamins too. Ritual also uses really high quality ingredients that are clean and with key ingredients in bioavailable forms. So they leave out unnecessary additives, fillers, and colorants. And Ritual is environmentally friendly, and it's not just with their packaging, it's also from the supplements, again, from the inside out. So instead of using fish oil, which I am so not mad at because I feel like some supplements have that really fishy taste, and it has that fishy aftertaste, which makes it just not enjoyable to take. Yeah, so it's not a good experience. The supplement has a minty flavor, so I actually enjoy taking it. I feel like the more that I actually learned about this brand, the more I came to appreciate the brand, because I really do like deep diving into products that I use and products that I share with you guys. And as you guys know, I do take pretty good care of my body. And since our diet can't fill all the nutritional gaps, this is where the Ritual vitamin comes in, because it's made with 9 key ingredients that proactively works to fill in those nutrient gaps. I really love these vitamins, and I think you will too, so use promo code LN10 for 10% off your first 3 months. And we are gonna get packing. I'm just gonna show you guys how I pack for every trip. You might think it's extra because I pack a lot of stuff, but let's get started. So for this trip, I am taking my Rimowa bag. So this is my check-in bag and my carry-on bag, and I also bring a duffel on as well. But basically I like to just like lay everything out so I can see it as I pack it. So here I'm getting my clothes started. I pack it all in full look, so I'll premeditate the outfits so I'm not like scrambling or overpacking, because I already just by nature overpack. So I'm gonna just start piecing these pieces together.
Where's my steak?
Take my purse. That's all. Okay, that's Devil Wears Prada. That's one of our favorite movies. Okay. And then all my supplements and such I pulled aside. So I got these like toiletry bags from Net-a-Porter, and these are perfect for travel. So I pack 2. One is for my skincare, and a whole ass other one is for my hair care. And I do travel with my own Dyson Supersonic blow dryer because it's the only thing that dries my hair without just damaging it. This outfit is super cool, but it's really sheer, so I'm gonna need to find the right underwear to wear with these. Whenever I buy anything, I just like to save the garment bags because I basically just use it to pack, and it's just the move. I always overpack underwear because you just don't want to run out. So this is a little bralette thing from Joa Brown, but I love bringing this because the straps are so thin, it's like just really chic. Skims bra
is literally so comfortable. So I just bring that. This white one is actually a bathing suit from Tropic of Sea, but again, I like the thin strap, so I bring it. All my bras are usually just bralettes. I don't like things with cups, it's just really uncomfortable. And this is my bag of undies and socks. I don't know why it's so bulky, but it's because I love wearing crew socks, so my socks are a little chunky. Because on this flight, I most likely will be on my computer, so I just want to make sure it's why are you laughing in the back? I just want to make sure it's charged. It'd be like that sometimes, so get out of here. This is the power bank that I use. This one is really good. It's the lacy, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but I have two. Oh, not power bank. What is it called? A hard drive, whatever. And then I like to pack it in here so it's nice and safe. It just folds nicely in here. Who invited him to my vlog? We just got a bunch of air tags and I put these in my check-in suitcase just in case I lose it because I've lost my luggage before and it's not fun. So I basically just put it in my Rimowa. So we started traveling with this folder in the new world. So basically we have our Vax card. I also bring chip clips when I travel because there's a higher probability I'm gonna be eating snacks at one point. And then I also take 2 of these bags on my carry-on, and one side just has all the cleaning essentials. I have another extra N95 mask in here, Clorox wipes to wipe the airport seats down, eye drop, hand sanitizer, chapstick, baby perfume because I want to smell good. Got this thing from Campo, which is like an energy essential oil roll-on. So I like to do this when I'm feeling a little nauseous or I feel like I need a refresh. And basically I'll just put it on my wrist right here, and then sometimes I'll literally put it like on my chin so like I can smell it inside the mask. I feel like it helps with the scent. And then I also travel with this. This is Tower 28 Save Our Skin SOS. I'll wear this pre-flight and post-flight, and this is just good just to refresh your face. This other bag, this is a slip silk sleep mask, a pad, because you never know.
What don't you know?
Aesop, hand soap, Summer Fridays, jet lag mask, passport.
This is the duffel that I take just so I have access. So those are the little pouches I showed you. I just like putting things in pouches because these bags don't have pockets and I don't want everything just like fumbling around in here. And this bag is really good. I got it on the RealReal like right before Italy. And this is the 45 size for anyone that's curious. And I feel like it's the perfect size. And this bag is just lightweight. Out my airport outfit the night before. I'm wearing something really simple. It's literally black pants with a black tank top. Then I just wear like a coat. And then I also wear compression socks. So Kellen got me onto compression socks, but it helps with blood flow while you're on the flight. So I wear a pair on the flight out and then pack an extra one for the flight back home. I like to do this before a trip and after a trip, and I am just using this Eco Tools makeup brush shampoo, and I just got this thing on Amazon.